Hi, this is Christy from Kinsley Armelle by Christy. I am doing another unboxing. This is the June Kinsley Armelle Klub Kinsley Level 3. As always, we start out with our beautifully colored mailer. I have to admit, I have not seen one in this like very vibrant lime green. It might be something special for the holidays. I don't know. So if I open it up, I get my packing slip as always, and then I have my container. Inside my container, I have my beautifully placed bag. And I'm feeling a card in there. So the shipments are always a surprise. It is actually, today's the day that it arrived, and it is the 6th of the month, and I went online to make sure that I couldn't tell you the names of the pieces and the prices, and they're still not there yet. So the first thing we have are these really fun and festive tassel earrings. Take them out so you could see them individually. The tassel earrings are all the rage right now. These are very bright and vibrant colors. So we have a pair of those. I'll lay those there. We also have a very pretty, somewhat neutral, slightly pink stones here, and gray and black stones right here with gold accent bracelet. It actually does go really, really well with the earrings. So a real nice mix there. And then the third and final piece today is actually a wrap bracelet. So we could pair it like this, wear it with our earrings, and make a really nice collection. If you wanted to and your head was big enough, you could probably even pull this on and it would be like a little looser than a choker, but a really short necklace as well. But it's truly meant to be a bracelet. As soon as the information on this jewelry becomes available, I will be sure to post it. If you are interested in starting Kinsley Armelle jewelry, starting with Klub Kinsley is the way to get the most pieces for the best price. Thanks and have a good day. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like us below. Follow me on Instagram and on my blog using the links below. Shop bit.ly/Kinsley Armelle for my affiliate link for the Kinsley Armelle jewelry. And don't forget to use code C515 for 15% off. Thanks and happy shopping.